A big announcement is coming soon for the Workhorse stock. In this week, the winner of the United States Postal Service contract of $8 billion may be announced, and Workhorse is one of the favorites to land the lucrative contract. In this video, we will look at the Workhorse stock prediction based on the outcome of the USPS contract. We will analyze what the stock price will look like if Workhorse wins the contract and what may happen to the share price if Workhorse loses the contract. So please stay until the end of this video to find out. Hi, I'm Arshad Ahmed, founder of DIYstockpicker.com, an investment portal dedicated to help investors make intelligent decisions. This video is for information purposes, and please do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. Workhorse, the maker of electric vehicles for last mile delivery, has a lot of tailwinds going on. It has started delivery of the electric vehicles for rider systems. It is also one of the 3 finalists for the USPS contract of $8 billion, the result of which may be announced soon. Workhorse also has a 10% stake in Lordstown Motors. DPHC Stock, Diamond Peak Holdings, which is a special purpose acquisition company, is merging with Lordstown Motors, and Lordstown Motors is currently being evaluated for an enterprise value of $1.6 billion, giving Workhorse a stake of $160 million in the company. A lot has gone for the Workhorse stock this year, where the stock price jumped from $2 in April to the current $30 levels. Wall Street overall is very bullish on the stock, and about 58% of the analysts give a buy rating for the Workhorse stock. Roth Capital analyst Craig Irwin has published in a research report that he expects Workhorse to be the recipient of the USPS contract. But anything may happen as to the final outcome of the contract. Workhorse may win the contract, but it may not win the whole contract. It may get a piecemeal of the contract. So in this video, we will analyze the stock price and come up with a target price if Workhorse wins the contract, which is the bullish case scenario. And we will also take a look at the bear case scenario where Workhorse does not win the contract and what may happen to the share price. So here is the bull case scenario. If Workhorse wins this contract, it potentially will receive up to $8 billion in revenue. For a company that has less than $1 million in revenue, this will be a huge tailwind. The market capitalization as we speak is about $2.8 billion. With this contract under the belt, Workhorse will definitely look more appealing to other companies like UPS and FedEx. That may potentially put it in a market of about $15 billion capitalization. The market is currently so hungry for any electric vehicle growth story that it may easily value Workhorse in the $5 to $6 billion range. That will easily double the stock price. But if we look at a conservative estimate, it may at least result in a 60% pop in the share price. How did we come to this conclusion? If you look at Nikola, when it announced the GM partnership, the stock popped 60%. So that will put the Workhorse stock in the $45 to $50 range. Here is the bear case scenario. If the contract slips and someone else grabs the contract, the future does not look bright for Workhorse. It still has the rider systems contract under its belt. Workhorse just has to put its head down and work very hard to grab any potential future contracts. Workhorse still has another growth story with its 10% equity stake in Lordstown Motors DPHC stock that may put a floor to the stock price. It also has about $40 million cash on its balance sheet to fund its research and operations. Workhorse also has a $41 million convertible note debt which is due in November 2022. The interest rate on the debt is 4.5%. That puts the stock in a very dangerous position, and the market may value the stock at as low as $1 billion market capitalization, which puts the share price in the $10 to $12 range. Here's wishing all the good luck to the Workhorse investors. Just to invest money in the Workhorse stock right now, basing it on the outcome of the USPS contract, will be very speculative. I personally would never put my money in such a stock right now. But all the current evidence points Workhorse to be the winner. Another key point to note is that many investors may have put stop losses in place to prevent huge losses of their capital. Many people put the stop losses, and if all the stop losses trigger at one point, the sell-off may be very bad. As further news comes in, I will keep you updated. I'm also doing a fundamental bottoms-up analysis of the Workhorse stock. Right now, I'm waist deep in evaluating electric vehicle stocks to find out the winner to clean energy. So please make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for further videos. Until the next video, take care. Bye.